President Duterte will give a 10 million peso reward to any Filipino who can discover the cure for COVID-19. Duterte also pledged a grant to the laboratories of the University of the Philippines and the Philippine General Hospital. The PGH has asked blood donations from those who have recovered from the virus for its study on the cure. Duterte has also called on COVID-19 survivors to donate their blood, which may be used in finding a cure.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.